Hello everyone and welcome back to Git tutorial part 7. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial, please go back and watch them from beginning. If you already know how to use a basic Git command, you can start learning from here. In this video series, I'm going to cover how to clone your remote repository using a Git and how can you use GitHub. For this purpose, I'm going to use GitHub and how can you fetch the project from the GitHub and upload them back and the branching feature in the GitHub and how can you work with it. And please, if you don't know the basic feature like branch and things like that, please go back to my tutorial and view it there. As well as I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, it's a time to subscribe. I'll be uploading so many cool things. Okay, so it's time to subscribe as well. All right, so let's start with the Git repository in the uh, from the server, guys. And that means from GitHub basically, but you can have in your server as well. But I'm going to use GitHub for this tutorial. Okay, go to Google. I've already set up my account, but you can create your one account if you don't have one. Okay, if you already have it, don't have to. You can use the old one. Go to Google, type GitHub, and then the first link here. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I don't need to do anything. If you haven't logged in, you will have to create your account. Okay, if you don't know how to create an account, guys, I will show you in my different browser, because in this browser I'm already logged in, so I cannot do I don't want to log out and do the login again. So yeah, let me open my other browser. All right, okay, there you go. Start GitHub. There you go. Here's the options for you. Sign in if you are already logged in. Of course, if you are not already logged in, here is sign up form. Choose any username. The username has to be unique, so make sure it's for you. Your email address, your password, and create account. Once you've done that, you need to choose your plan. Just choose a free plan. If you want to pay for it, up to you. And just tailor your experience. That is up to you. That is step 3. After that, you need to verify your email address. Once you've done that, you will be in right at this page. Create a Git repository. Okay, this is what we're going to clone from our local computer. So this repository name is your project name basically. In my case, I'm using my gittut call project, so I'm going to call it gittut or gittut server. Okay, gittut server, gittut, I would say remote. Okay, now I've made a folder name called gittut remote, basically that. Okay, and description is optional, teaching you how to use GitHub from command line, something like that, from command line. Okay, yes, it is public. Do you want to read it in the yeah, I want to initialize with the readme. The reason it asks for readme is if you put that one, it will create a file for you, and you can write something there. All you need to do is create a repository. Okay, now it did what it's supposed to do for me. Already created my repository with a master branch by default. This is master branch, guys. As you can see, this is one branch which is master. There is no release. There is one contributor which is me. There is one commit which is also me. I've done all. So it says Git to remote, teaching you how to use GitHub from command line. It's already the readme file there as well. So cool. Everything is done. Okay. Now, how do I pull it? How do I pull it? How do I pull this repository? Here's how I do it. Now let's say you can add as many files as you like. As you can see, it says upload file, find file, create a new file, so many things. But we're not gonna do this kind of graphic things. We're gonna use command line. We are a programmer. We use command line. We don't use this graphic. This is for people who don't know how to write a command line. So here it says git clone or download. As you can see, this is the link, or you can just copy this link. It's the same one. Okay. Control C, you copy the link and you go there and you say, if you haven't installed the Git already in your laptop, please go back to my part 1 tutorial which show you how to download Git in your laptop. Okay, and I'm in my current working directory. If you don't know how to switch it between directory using a command line, please go to the Google, type basic command line syntax. Alright, so Git, I type Git, and there's something called, I think, clone. I think I did this already. No, it's not there already. Okay, Control Z. I'll just Git clone, clone. Okay, and you paste the URL. Now I am connected to my project. It says cloning. Yeah, it's done. All done, guys. You don't believe me? Just type git status. There you go. Here is my project folder. Already it is there. If I go to my local folder now, github, can you see this folder, guys? It's already there. This folder is from my remote. You see my readme file is here already. Yeah, cool. This is cool, guys. All right, so we have successfully cloned from the server, but we haven't done so many things. Okay, we just start cloning. We just downloaded the basic whatever it is. Now in github, in git, there is syntax called git remote. Git remote. So okay, type git remote remote. Yes, it's so didn't show anything actually because I'm in my current directory, so I need to switch it to the directory I downloaded. That means git, sorry, cd, that means changing the directory. Git tut remote, that's my folder. Okay, I'm switched now. Now I can say git remote remote. So all right, is origin. Okay, yeah, can you see this origin thing? That means this directory is from, it's cloning from server. Okay, as you can see, it gives some hint for you. Okay, as you can see, it says master triple, and where is this one? It doesn't say. You can see. All right, so that means this is from my remote file. Okay, this is my remote file, as you can see. Now I'm currently in this directory. Okay, I switch using a cd command. So now let me check if there is any branch. Git branch, you need to say remote branch always. Unknown command branch. Okay, let me see what happens. Git branch. Okay, I just have master branch, nothing else, which is cool as well. All right, so till now what I want you to understand is, I'm just going to clear everything. Till now what I want you guys to know is how to clone from the server. Okay, I hope you already know that, and just use basic command like git remote. Remote means remote, okay, not local. So if you can do this till now, great, just great. Okay, so after that, now we need to understand this origin is not something special. This is just like master branch. Okay, it says origin. You can change it if you want, but you don't have to. Okay, just leave it like that. It's easy to understand. I wouldn't bother changing it. Just leave it like that. Okay, but you can change it if you want. Okay, once you've done that, now what you need to do next is creating the branch. Yeah, pasting the content from the branch and fetching everything from the server. How do we do that? For now, I just have just readme file. Sometimes you might need to push the file in the server. You may need to create new branch in the server in GitHub. So you can all do from this terminal. You don't need to come into here and make it. You can do it by yourself from here. Okay, once you clone. So once you've done that, now let's see the basic push command or fetch command. Let's just do fetch command first of all. Okay, fetch. What fetch does is up to date your local directory. Okay, it'll up to date with all the things. So git f etc fetch mean you basically pulling everything from server. ORIGIN, origin. So git fetch origin. What this command does is up to date your directory. Okay, as I told you before. So what is origin? Origin is this one. Okay. What is remote? You can change anything you want, but I will leave it origin. Okay, you can say whatever you want. Your name as well, but I wouldn't bothering changing it for now. So get fetch origin. Done. Hit the enter. Once you done that, I think there is nothing to. My command is wrong. ORIGIN origin. Git fetch fetch fetch. Yeah, origin. As you see, it has fetched everything, but the problem is the directory is already up to date because we just clone everything. So I don't think so. There's anything left to up to date. So now you can say git status status. Yeah, you can see is everything is clear. Okay, so in my next tutorial I will be showing you how can we push it to the git repository. I mean, you need to push some content, right? And how can we create the branch and working with the remote branch and local branch, and how can you separate them and how can you merge them together, and so that your local branch is synchronized with your git branch in your server. Yeah, things like that. Okay, which is very important if you want to work with Git. I think it's one of the most important concept. So please make sure you watch this next tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. That one's it.